Hello and welcome to Reading Books. I'm Lisa.
Hola y bienvenidos a Leyendo Libros. Yo soy Gisela.
Today we're going to read a book called Marta, Big and Small. This book is in English and Spanish. So let's start.
Empecemos.
Marta is
Una niña.
an ordinary girl. To a bug, Marta is
Grande.
big, very big. To an elephant, Marta is
Pequeña.
small, very small. To a horse, Marta is
Lenta.
slow, very slow. To a turtle, Marta is
Rápida.
fast, very fast. To a lion, Marta is
Tranquila.
quiet, very quiet. To a rabbit, Marta is
Ruidosa.
loud, very loud.
Woo.
To a snake, Marta is
Sabrosa.
sabrosa, but that means,
Tasty. Very tasty. Oh no. Marta, ¿dónde estás?
Marta, where are you?
Lisa, por favor, cambia la hoja. Necesitamos saber qué es lo que va a pasar con Marta.
Marta is
Ingeniosa.
clever, very clever. So what did we learn? Marta is loud like
El león.
the lion, quiet like
El conejo.
the rabbit, fast like
El caballo.
the horse, slow like
La tortuga.
the tortoise, big like
Un elefante.
an elephant, and small like
Un insecto.
a bug, and clever, very, very clever, just like
Una niña. An ordinary girl.
Gisela. We had such wonderful words in today's story. We learned that Marta is
Una niña.
a girl. She's very big,
Muy grande.
small,
Pequeña.
slow,
Lenta.
fast,
Rápida.
quiet,
Tranquila.
tasty,
Sabrosa.
and clever.
Ingeniosa. Y también aprendimos palabras como el insecto.
The bug,
Elefante.
the elephant,
El caballo.
the horse,
La tortuga.
the tortoise,
El león.
the lion,
El conejo.
the rabbit,
La serpiente.
the snake. Good words, Gisela. Good words.
Así es.
Will you read books with me again sometime, Gisela?
Me encantará leer libros contigo otra vez, Lisa. Chicos, vamos a leer libros otra vez muy pronto. ¿Les parece?
Goodbye, friends.
Hasta la próxima.